India Premier League 2024 Chennai vs Hyderabad both team preliminary match detail. Date 27 April 2024 Time 8 PM Venue Chennai. Chennai best playing 11. Number 1 Luthras Jaikwat. Number 2 Lochin Lavender. Number 3 Delhi Mitchell. Number 4 Ajan Kilahani. Number 5 Moin Ali. Number 6 MS Dhoni. Number 7 Robindra Jadeja. Number 8 Deepak Char. Number 9 Tushar Deshpande. Number 10 Mustafizur Rahman fast bowling. Number 11 Matisha Patrina fast bowling. Hyderabad best playing 11. Number 1 Abhishek Sharma opening batsman. Number 2 Tabi Seth opening batsman. Number 3 Nitish Reddy one down batsman. Number 4 Aiden Marakam one down batsman. Number 5 Abdul Samad middle order batsman. Number 6 Henrik Garrison middle order batsman. Number 7 Shahbaz Ahmed bowling all-rounder. Number 8 Pat Cummins fast bowling and captain. Number 9 Bognash Kumar fast bowling. Number 10 T Natarajan fast bowling. Number 11 Joynap Yadav fast bowling.